Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how to add manage interest on Instagram. So if you want to add manage interest on Instagram, you have to follow this step. So all you need to do is just follow these steps. First of all, try updating your application. So you could always have to go to your Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Instagram and check whether it needs to be updated or not. So as you can see, it has to be updated. So click on the update button and wait for the application to be completely up to date. After you're done with that, you have to go ahead and log into your Instagram account, after which this is how it's gonna look like. Alright, so here what next you want to do is tap on the profile at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and you want to tap on the try bar icon from the top right hand side, and you want to scroll down a bit and you want to go to previously there used to be this option as account, and you could actually go ahead and select this specific section as manage interest. But now as the Instagram has updated the feature, so you'll have to go to this section of content preferences, so which will be what you see under the section. So here you could go with the interested, here you could go with the specific word and phrases, and then you could go ahead and mention about it. So here you just have to go ahead and type in and what sort of interest or what sort of content you would like to see. Maybe if you're a gamer, you want to go with the gaming stuff, and if you like sports, then you could go with the sports, all that stuff. So you could write it here, and then you could just press the done button, restart your Instagram application, and you've successfully added manage interest on, and you'll have successfully made the changes. So that's the way you could add manage interest on Instagram. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.